GK questions on currency and banking. Who performs the central banking functions in India? Reserve Bank of India. When was Reserve Bank of India formed? 1st April 1935. Where is the headquarters of RBI? Mumbai. In which year prior to 2016 were the high value currency notes demonetized? 1978. When was the first demonetization in India? 1946. Where do the currency notes print? The currency note press in Nasik, the bank note press in Divas, the Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited at Salboni and Mysore. Which bank is known as Bankers Bank? Reserve Bank of India. In how many languages the amount of banknote is printed on it? 17 languages. Which are the languages present on currency notes? Hindi, English and 15 other languages. These are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. On which Commission's recommendations Reserve Bank of India was established? Hilton Young Commission. When was Reserve Bank of India nationalized? 1st January 1949. Who has the authority to sign Indian currency? RBI Governor signs Indian currency except 1 rupee note. Who has the authority to issue 1 rupee note and coins? The 1 rupee note and coins are issued by Ministry of Finance. The 1 rupee note bears the signatures of Finance Secretary. Who was the designer of Indian rupee sign? D. Udayakumar. What is the motif of 200 rupees banknote? Sanchi Stupa. The new 2000 rupee note has the image of Mangalyan. The base color of newly introduced 2000 rupee currency note is magenta. Which currency note has the image of Parliament of India? Old 50 rupee note. The base color of newly introduced 500 rupee currency note is stone grey. The new 500 rupee note has the image of Red Fort. The color of newly introduced 50 rupee currency note is fluorescent blue. What is the motif of new 50 rupee banknote? Humpi with chariot. When was denomination of 2000 rupee banknote in circulation? 10th November 2016. In which currency image of tractor in a field is imprinted? Rupees 5. Which are the images on old 10 rupee note? Elephant, rhinoceros and tiger. When did the first series of coins with the new rupee sign start in circulation? On 8th July 2011. Who supplies ink for printing currency? A Swiss company SICPA. GK with Anon is an innovative YouTube channel providing valuable, relevant, and enjoyable online education pertaining to general knowledge. GK with Anon will explore through the Indian and world geography and history, everyday science, international organizations, awards and honors, Indian economy and politics, the Constitution of India, current affairs, etc. General knowledge topics and questions enable you to score higher and also give you an advantage over others in the group discussions and personal interview rounds. Subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon to get notified.